Hello everyone. Welcome to TELLS Videtionary. Today, September 10th, our word of the day is Saturnine. S-A-T-U-R-N-I-N-E. Saturnine. Saturnine is a 9-letter word and an adjective. Remember, adjectives are words that describe the qualities or states of being of nouns: enormous, dog-like, silly, yellow, fun, fast. They can also describe the quantity of nouns: many, few, millions, 11. Saturnine means serious and unfriendly, gloomy. Similar words include glowering, moody, morose, sullen, glum, dour, sour, dark. Examples of sentences using Saturnine are: the tech was a rather Saturnine individual who never spoke an unnecessary word. A Saturnine disposition is typically humorless and somewhat grim. Brooks had a rather forbidding Saturnine manner. He was always to be found sulking in a Saturnine fashion and behaving in a beastly way to Margaret or Anne. The men awaiting interrogation by the police shared a Saturnine silence. We drove home in uncomfortable silence, Grandma sensing my Saturnine mood. Make sure to save this new word, Saturnine, so you can practice using it in your everyday sentences. That's all for today. Thank you for spending your time with me. I hope you learnt something new. Don't forget to like and share this video, subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so you receive similar videos every day. Have a fulfilling day. See you tomorrow. Cheers!